In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a keynote in Revit. Now to do this, first you want to go to the top and you want to click on Annotate, and then from here you want to click on Keynote and click on Keynote Settings. So for this, of course, first you're going to have to set up your Keynote file, and it's going to use an external TXT file for its Keynote database. So just over here where you can see it says File Location, click on Browse and just find your TXT file you want to use for your keynotes. I'm going to use these samples over here, but if you have a different one, find it inside your files, click on it and click on Open. Now from here, you're done. You can now click on the OK button, and to actually add a keynote, you want to go again to this Annotate tab and click on the same Keynote button, and then from here you want to select what keynote you want. So we have Element Keynote, Material Keynote, or User Keynote, okay? So it's up to you whichever one you want to pick. I'm going to go with Element Keynote for now, and I'm going to just click on a random element. I'm going to drag it where I want it to be, and I'm going to click again, and then of course you can drag again, and I'm just going to click on the Again button over here, and there we go. As you can see, we have our keynote, okay? Now if you zoom in here, you'll notice that of course you can go ahead and move it, and if you actually click on it where these stars are, you click on it once, you can go ahead and select your key value over here. So I'm going to go and switch to 1 star over here. I'm going to click OK, and there we go. Now of course you can do this for any of them you want. I'm just going to press the escape key, and as you can see, it's going to be applied. I'm going to go with a user keynote right now, and I'm going to put one over here like this, and there we go. As you can see, I can again change this, etc. Okay, so that's how to add keynotes. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.